Evangelista is comprising 7 parcels of land. So, yes sir. Ang tatlo dito is yung 431A, 43 yung subject for demolition ngayon, 45 or 457, covered ng Presidential Proclamation 265 series of 1938. So meaning sir, noong 1938, nag-declare si President Manuel L. Quezon reserving yung 78 hectares for military use. 78. And then dito naman sir, kinatatayuan natin, this is the Block 4353. Ito naman ay nabili namin kay Apolinar Velis noong 1950s. And then meron tayong 4319A, ito sa may unahan, tapos yung 4119B yung golf course. Covered din siya ng yung 453 is donated by the Pineda family. And then yung 419A and B, yan ang nabili ng Army sa family of Veles, sa Veles family, kaya Apolinar Veles. So yun yung kwento dito. And then the case started in 1964, land registration case. So actually, sa counting namin is 58 years na mula nung nag-start yung land registration. Ang unang nag-file ng case doon is yung mga Bacas and Chabon family. Sila yung nag-away-away doon, ipaparehistro nila without informing the Philippine Army of the case. And so happened na na-discover ng Philippine Army, kaya nag-intervene yung Philippine Army noong 1964, tapos natalo yung Philippine Army sa Regional Trial Court. And then, nag-appeal ang Philippine Army sa Court of Appeal, natalo din. And then, it appealed to the Supreme Court. So, 2013, nilabas ng Supreme Court yung decision reversing dalawang ng Regional Trial Court, pati yung Court of Appeal, ni-reverse ng Supreme Court in favor of the Philippine Army. 2013. November 2013. So ngayon, noong 2013, lumabas yung Supreme Court, nag-file kami ng petition for execution ng Supreme Court ruling. Nagbigay kami sa mga affected families. Hindi walang nangyari, ayaw pa rin, ganyan. So nag-file kami ng petition for the execution of a writ of demolition. Writ of demolition, so nag-start, na-release ito nung panahon pa ni Jan sa Abo, na kinontinue lang ng branch 17. So mahabang proseso from 2013 hanggang ngayon, series of conferences doon sa city. In-invite kami ng ating committee ng housing, ng council ng LGU, and then sa DHSUD. Maano talaga yung process until such time na na-schedule na tayo nito for the execution of the hearing. Originally, April 1 yung sinabi ng court na i-execute ang demolition. However, because nag-intervene ang ating City Hall, si Mayor, na baka pwedeng i-extend natin kasi maraming madi-displace ng mga bata. Kasi square lang pa eh. So, again, humanitarian consideration, inano natin, nag-schedule ulit ang branch 70, nagawin na siyang June